सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सकवीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Swagatam. My dear beautiful souls, I am Dr. Prasanna Lakshmi Raja, yoga expert, Ayush certified yoga therapist, counselor, emotional wellness coach, and social empath, welcoming you all for my YouTube channel, Prasanna's Wellness Yoga. Recently, I have visited to Japan. There I met one Zen master. I asked his guidance, how can we liberate our mind? He told that just empty your cup. What is the meaning of emptying cup? Emptying cup means empty your mind. What is meant by emptying mind? That is nothing but declutter our mind. How can we declutter our mind? By detoxification. One of the important detoxification as far as for 21st century needed for children, youth, teenagers, middle age, and even for elderly people is dopamine detox. Today, we can explore how dopamine detox will help us to get away metabolic diseases as well as autoimmune diseases. Dopamine detox is biohacking for better living. What is dopamine? We should know what is dopamine before detoxification process. Dopamine is a reward chemical. It is a neurotransmitter. It always looking for something more and novel. So, dil mange more. So, dopamine is always making us to be over ambitious and so greedy to get many things. So, it is a biochemical proxy for our willpower. Biohacking dopamine allows us to inculcate self-control, self-awareness and self-regulation for better living. Why dopamine detox is needed? Because nowadays children are mindless scrolling in social media and also constant checking of messages, notifications and constant multitasking, consuming pornography, constant on video games and mobile games, eating high sugar foods and junk food, taking stimulants like coffee, tea, chocolates, soda and sugary drinks and as well as drugs, and constant browsing, online shopping without any purchasing and consuming online content. All these things as well as late night screen that also causes. So all these activities overstimulate neurotransmitter for dopamine secretion and silently drains you. So mind needs clarity, not gratification. So what are the side effects of overstimulation of dopamine? Let us see now. Attention deficit disorders, mental fog, restlessness, insomnia, agitation, overthinking, irritation, dry eyes, relationship issues, addiction. All these ill effects are due to imbalance of three doshas in the body. Here I want to quote one verse from Ayurveda. Samadosha, sama agnicha, samadhatu malakriyaha, prasanna indriya atma manaha, swastha iti abhyate. That means when our three doshas, vata, pitta and kapha are in balance, our organ system works properly. Because of excessive artificial secretion of dopamine causes the increase of vata in our body that results various diseases. So dopamine detox is very much necessary. So dopamine detox regulates our nervous system. It cures gut dysbiosis and also it regulates dopamine secretion. It improves mitochondrial function and reduce oxidative stress. I am going to give some tips for dopamine detox for practice of Ashtanga Yoga. So there are 8 steps in Ashtanga Yoga. There are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. So by practicing yamas, that is social harmony, in that ahimsa, that is very much important. When we are overusing the screen time, that time you are doing himsa to your body. So there comes ahimsa. And also brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is not only for celibacy, it is meant for your self-control. So you have to know how to control yourself to get away the over screen time. And niyamas. Niyamas means personal harmony, that is the niyama, that is saucha, santosha, tapa, swadhyaya, ishvara, pranidhana, kriya, yoga. Tapa, okay. So what is tapa? So controlling your own self from long screen time is the tapa. And saucha, cleanliness for detoxification. For that, what you needed? Swadhyaya. So you have to observe yourself, self-awareness. How long I'm spending my time in the social media or Instagram or gaming or video gaming. Like that, you have to think about that. Mindless scrolling will lead to so much of health issue. Okay. So overstimulation of dopamine. So dopamine detox will help us to avoid lot of metabolic diseases as well as autoimmune diseases. So following yamas, niyamas and practicing asanas. So various asanas, when we are practicing the asanas, there is a mind-body connection that help us to be more mindful in your actions. And pranayama. Pranayama is the param tapaka. So it helps us to control your limbic system for the influence of your prefrontal cortex. So it helps us to reduce your cortisol level so that your gut also be very much happy. When your gut is happy, your nervous system also be happy, because gut is the second brain. So it helps us to control your main nervous system over flight fight response. Apart from that, pratyahara means self-control. So there comes controlling yourself for all this decluttering your mind with continuous watching of social media and video games and etc., which I have told you earlier. And dharana. Dharana means focusing, concentration. There comes, you can do the Trataka practices. And dhyana. So many meditations are there. Japa meditation, mantra meditation, gratitude meditation, metta meditation, that is loving kindness meditation, forgiveness meditation. So by doing the meditation, and main important meditation, if in 5 minutes to 2 minutes every day you do your mindful meditation. Keep one heart in your left hand in your heart chakra and right hand in your tummy. Just breathe in. I am breathing in, tummy is coming out. I am breathing out, tummy is going in. Just observe, romance with the breath, with the rhythmic of our body movement. After sitting for 1 hour, take a gap and doing the abdominal breathing and focusing on your breath and body movement. That mindfulness practice, mindfulness breathing, mindfulness meditation will help you to get away this addiction towards the screen and help us for dopamine detox. Apart from that, other practices are sun bath. By sitting in the sun, your body will absorb vitamin D as well as it is gains the positivity. Sun bath. Sun bath will help you to absorb vitamin D from the sunlight as well as it help you for the positive vibration, for grounding and walking. So walking on the empty foot on the grassland will help you positivity, detox yourself, and eating sattvic food. What are the sattvic food? Sattvic food are Freshly prepared food which are raw and rainbow colored vegetables. Include rainbow colored fruits in your diet and sprouts, seeds, dry fruits. All these things will help you to regulate the secretion of dopamine in your gut. Apart from sun gazing, moon gazing, watching the birds, rain shower. So, rain shower, that means drenching in the rain, walking on the seashore, and also grounding and digital defasting is very much important, and sleep ritual. So, in sleep ritual, what is a sleep ritual? Before going to sleep, you have to do mindful breathing, Om chanting. When you do Om chanting, you take deep inhalation from your Nabi chakra. You have to chant. Take a deep inhalation. So, like that, you do the Om chanting and apply magnesium lotion and also write the gratitude journal and do the forgiveness and also pray for the wellness of everyone and go to sleep. These are the sleep ritual one should follow for detoxification of our dopamine. And Pomodoro technique. What is Pomodoro technique? So following Pomodoro technique means every half an hour or 15 minutes change your activities. Okay, take a gap between one activity to the other activity. Keep some relaxation technique, listening to music, reading the books, watching outside. Okay, these are the things which help you to detox your dopamine. These activities regulate dopamine secretion. So, dopamine detox is conscious living. It improves mood and relationship. It improves physiological functions of the body. It improves your willpower to get away your addictions. It improves focus towards your goal of life. So, dopamine detox, do dopamine detox to dive into your better living. Thank you. Don't forget to comment and subscribe my channel to get the future tips how you can get away your autoimmune disease in my next video. Till then, do yoga, be in yoga. Thank you.